Now, on another well-qualified judge whose nomination is currently being considered by the Senate, today we'll consider the nomination of U.S. District Court Judge Danny Reeves to serve on the United States Sentencing Commission. He's a great choice to serve on the commission, and I look forward to the Senate confirming him. Among its responsibilities, the commission is tasked with setting sentencing policy in our federal judicial system. While I don't always agree with the policy outcomes, I appreciate the important role it plays in trying to ensure fairness in our federal courts. Judge Reeves is well prepared for the task ahead. I'm confident he'll do great work on the commission. His legal career began at Northern Kentucky University's Salmon P. Chase College of Law, where he graduated with honors in 1981. After graduation, he clerked for Judge Eugene Seiler, who was then a federal district court judge in Eastern and Western districts of Kentucky. Upon finishing his clerkship, Judge Reeves entered private practice as what was then known as Greenbaum, Dahl, and McDonald. He became a partner there in 1988. In 2001, I had the first of many in-depth discussions with Judge Reeves. I was so impressed by him that I recommended him to then-President George W. Bush that he appoint Judge Reeves as a federal district court judge in Kentucky. The Senate confirmed him without a dissenting vote, and he served with distinction on the federal bench. Judge Reeves has been lauded for his steady devotion to the rule of law, for his commitment to fair rulings predicated on the facts and the law, rather than his own political beliefs, and for his even-handed approach to all who enter his courtroom. Because of his demonstrated appreciation for these precepts, Judge Reeves will be a significant asset to the commission and an advocate for sound and sober decision-making. As many of you know, the commission has been operating to the extent it can without a quorum. Not only does Judge Reeves' appointment stand as validation of his distinguished career as a respected jurist, but along with the reappointment of U.S. District Court Charles Breyer, it also represents a return to an operational agency. Now the commission can get back to business for which it was designed, establishing uniform sentencing practices and policies that will be utilized in federal courts all across the country. So I look forward to supporting and congratulating Judge Danny Reeves, as well as his wife Cindy, their sons Adam and Joe, and their families on his confirmation to the U.S. Sentencing Commission.